230 million years ago, Earth didn't burn. It drowned. For nearly 2 million years, the rain never stopped. Deserts collapsed into wetlands. Rivers swallowed entire continents. This wasn't weather. It was a planetary reset. Deep underground, massive volcanoes woke up. They flooded the sky with carbon and methane. The planet heated up. Oceans evaporated faster than ever before. Mega monsoons were born. Life couldn't survive the oceans anymore. 30% of marine species vanished. But on land, something new rose: dinosaurs. 2 million years of rain didn't just change the climate. It changed who ruled the Earth.